Welcome back to my channel, Joseph Habis Food Travel. Today, I am here in Wadi Namar Dam and Park. And finally guys, I am able to uh, catch this very stunning scenery guys here in the park. Look at this man-made falls guys. Stunning, beautiful. Even though this is just man-made, but still, see? My goodness. This is Riyadh. This scenery is in Riyadh, guys. And today, I want to witness the sunset, guys. How the sun sets. Look at the sun, guys. In a few minutes from now, that sun will going to set. Because in my previous videos, guys, I already had a video here, but this man-made falls was not operating during that time, during my previous videos. I mean, these man-made falls were not operating at that time. I made a video previously, but at this point of time, here it is. Beautiful. You know, guys, this is the first time I see a waterfalls in my entire life. Even though this is man-made, this is artificial because that's the source. That is where the falls is flowing. This is the first time I see a falls. Beautiful. Okay, so please stay tuned because in a few minutes from now, I'm gonna show you guys the sun setting just over there. It's almost setting now, guys, and we will see it in a few minutes from now. So let me just show you guys the dam. Once again, let me just show you the dam. That's the dam.